Hi, my name is Aakash Prabhakar. I'm an actor, filmmaker, and a theatre director. One of my favorite exercises when I was in film school was this.
No, it was not making coffee.
This one professor would come by, he would just give us a theme, an idea, sometimes a song. He would give us about 2.5 hours and he would ask us to go and shoot something, stitch together, and come back. And it was crazy. We would run around scattered thinking, how do we figure this out? It was very, very daunting in the beginning, but it was also exhilarating. It kept pushing us to be present. It kept pushing us to think on our feet and be resourceful. Within this particular time, use this pressure to deliver something coherent and do the best we can. After I did this a bunch of times over and over again, somehow this became fun. Because fundamentally, truly the essence of independent filmmaking especially is exactly this. This simple thinking and exercises like this really helped me make my first feature film, Freddy's Piano. So I got a fun idea. My company here and now, and Zostel, we've come together and we put together this fun 3-day filmmaking retreat where we will cover the basics, but fundamentally we learn by doing. Like how I did. We come together in this beautiful, picturesque, wonderful looking resort in Panchkini and we'll pick up simple stories together. We will learn filmmaking by practically doing it. We'll have a theme, an idea, and a limited time frame. Join us for this fun filmmaking retreat at Zostel Panchkini from 2nd to 5th of August and let's make some fun, amazing films together. I'll see you there.